In 2010, 67% of Kenyans voted for the new constitution. But what does it actually mean? There are over 43 million of us living in Kenya. The constitution is our most important law. It explains how we select our leaders, how government is formed, and how the country is run. It describes both our national government and our county government. Our national government has three branches: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. The executive has authority and responsibility for the daily running of the country. At the top are the president, the deputy president, and the cabinet. The judiciary is the branch of government that interprets the laws. Its courts and judges apply the laws and resolve disputes. The legislature is the branch that makes the laws. It considers, debates, and votes on our laws. The National Assembly is made up of elected representatives from each of our 290 constituents plus 47 elected women representatives, one from each county, plus 12 nominated representatives, and the Speaker. The Senate is made up of 47 elected senators, one from each county, plus 16 women representatives nominated by the parties, plus one male and one female representative for the youth, and one male and one female representative for the disabled, and a Speaker. These different branches act as checks and balances on each other. This principle is called the separation of power. It describes both our national government. But our national government can only go so far in order to reach every corner of the country and to increase the power of the community. We have 47 county government. They run local government services and can make bylaws. The executive at the county level is run by the elected governor and the deputy governor. The legislature is represented by one elected member from each ward. There may be extra nominated representatives to ensure that neither men nor women hold a two-thirds majority in the assembly. There are another 6 nominated members to represent the youth and the people with disabilities. County government is responsible for collecting revenues, providing health services to building and maintaining roads, providing necessary and primary response, collecting garbage and providing water and sewage services. Our taxes pay for the government. So it's our responsibility to vote for good leaders, to make sure we get good government and fulfill the promise of our constitution.